to divide numbers when they have decimals. First thing you want to do is look at both the numbers and see which one has more digits in front of the decimal point. This one has only 1, but this one has 3. So I am going to use this number first, and I am going to multiply it by 1 and put 3 zeros in front of it. Why did I put 3 zeros? Because there are 3 digits after the decimal point. If there were 4 digits, I would have put 4 zeros. If there was 1, I would have put only 1. Now, since I have multiplied the denominator by 1000, I am going to do the same thing for the numerator. Now, every digit after the decimal point goes to the left side for each zero that we are multiplying it by. So this will give me 8, 4, 2, 1 zero gone, and 2 zeros are left. This will be the answer. For this number, I have 3 zeros over here. So all 3 digits after the decimal point will move to the left. My answer will be 002, or basically just 2. The final answer is 42100. This is the correct answer.